Sadia Munimno, Memenda Yetuaba. Na election in polling stations were 140. Or the special voting come where 141. You declare results in your polling station. And agent be assigning agent a copy. Electoral Commission shall say or your collation Ghana Telecom University. Amugu saw my collation about 139 out of the 141. And union NDC for Bora acquire to trust them say Nema Bebre, including some of the sheets are not ECD as you into my easy for AGI collation here no say ne Yemra original office. We have 2 agents, Emra. Na Omumebo and collective be an declare results. And no more na NDC for said, oh, numbers crying easy for the entirely. Now easy for say, oh, yeah, you conduct election, you pink sheets, and then I had the animal entirely. And almost for so easy for say, about 31 polling stations are main no me strong and many votes in film no for about 110 and declare results, which is alien to the electoral process, because we see I 127 we have PNDC law 284 representation of the people's law as amended. So I proceed their way and come home. Now I said the bow returning officer. Now to trust them across on national TV. Young person you're being involved in such a violent activity. Under duress, under coercion, without regard to due process, and also my declare results. Emra any of the Bayajuma into your family council. Yang, you didn't see any lose election into Nomi and high. And since I hear law abiding,
collation into a stress, basa na esi wo Ablikuma constituency a ma commission no issue directive say yen hold on ya sign aka say omo entwaso please for ewo ho political party agents no ye pay 2 for those collation centers no send ye be ya ebetumi anya asumdwe ho na ye de aide ben akoleti resource no enti commission no ne tofa ne say ye staff na ewo ho ye nya ne ntie so wan so mohwe TV ni radio so a utumi say yen collation centers no there has been a lot of vandalism. Party supporters at BCG ho. Party supporters she commission in yama. Party supporters say pink sheets, almost say ballot papers, almost say everything that is in their site, almost say no. And yet ne kwanso no. Inti ye ma the leadership of the political parties not as say omutumi withdraw omo supporters na omo ma 2 agents at the collation center say ne be ya ebetumi anya asumdwe e wo collation center so na ya toya ye dwuma so ye damase.
Since Monday, particularly, supporters of the NPP besieging a number of offices of state institutions, demanding that the officials there, political appointees mainly, vacate their offices. We've seen some near violence and all that. Your thoughts on this matter?
Well, I'm not too sure specifically what you want to refer to, but there have been instances where it's not an issue of people going to public offices and state institutions to drive out people and take over. No. In some cases, particularly at places like the Harbour, DVLA, Peduasi Lodge, polling booths and so forth, in some cases the people have to go there to protect state property, to ensure that looting stops. I've been told that in some public offices and so forth, all of a sudden those who were working there have refused to come to work. Not because they have been intimidated or been chased out, but they themselves have suspected that maybe because how they came there was purely based on them being members of the party then in power. Maybe some people chase them out, then they've left those public places just to the wind, just to the weather. And people have gone there to go and protect it. Some of our members have gone there to go and protect it.
I know that the party and a number of top officials of the NPP have condemned these acts. But beyond the condemnation, what will the party do? Because it seems that's not working.
Well, it's not a question of condemnation. I've told you that it's not some instances I won't condemn. If they were there to protect property, assets.
How do they protect property? They are not security officials.
Look, at the harbor, people are stealing cars. People are carrying away items that should attract duties and so forth. Containers being taken away without going through the right processes and so forth. I think we should be bold enough to say that stop what you are doing.
But it is not the duty of NPP supporters to go around and enforce law and order. In that regard, it's the duty of the police. You are in power now. Your party is in power now. Just notify the police and they'll deal with it, Mr. Blair.
Let me make a point. It is your duty, my duty, to stop anybody stealing even an individual's property. If you can, you have good reason to know that what the person is doing amounts to stealing.
But we have appropriate institutions. I agree. We have appropriate institutions.
No, I'm saying that if
that can do that job
stealing
as well.
Cars from the harbor, taking them away. Are you suggesting that we should wait and go and call the police before they come and stop?
You think the party supporters are better placed to handle this than the police?
It's not a question of they are better placed, that they will stop them and then refer the matter to the police subsequently. Please, let's understand that.
Is that the way to go?
No, please. There are instances where they were right. But there are instances that I will not endorse that. I will consider their conduct not the best.
What instances were they wrong?
Instances where they will go and lock up, let's say, a public institution or a government offices and so forth. If some of these things have happened, which you are telling me might have happened, I will not endorse it. I will not support it. But I've given you examples that in some cases, it's to protect property, state property. If you go to Peduase and people are stealing louvers, people are removing air conditioners and so forth, and you are a Ghanaian, and you know that that is wrong, and you can't immediately get to the police, you stop them. Then why are you doing that? If I do that, you are telling me that we shouldn't